Hey guys, MaryAnn here with you all the way from Austria, right outside of Graz, and I'm at a custom G-Wagon shop, and I want to show you guys the 6x6 Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon that we have for sale through AutoHaus of Naples. And it is in the process of still being worked on, so there are some unfinished things, but you can see here is the beautiful carbon fiber. And in the back here, we're also going to be switching the seats so to match the ones in the back. But again, it is in the process of still being tested, worked on, and you'll even see under the hood, it's got a lot of dust and whatnot because it goes off-road. There are 3 portal axles, and all 6 wheels are lockable, so it's got lockers, obviously front and rear. And here you have your Hutchinson wheels. These are military grade, and they're huge, as you can see. This truck is massive. I don't know how well that shows up in the video, but it is a beast of a truck, and it is monstrous for sure. And this originally was a professional G-Wagon, and it is all factory parts. And again, this is a 6x6. You can see here the Mercedes-Benz emblem, and I will show you under the hood as well. It is a chip tuned, and it is a 3-liter V6, and it is a turbo diesel. So not only do you have a massive exterior to this car, but the engine is a beast as well. And again, all your carbon fiber trim throughout, your Hutchinson wheels, again 6 of them. And just so you can see on this side as well, of course, like I said, this is still being worked on, so these seats are not the proper seats. And you can see the lockers and whatnot. I'll drive it a little bit and show you guys how it runs. Oh, heavy doors too. But again, that's what the seats will ultimately look like, is the ones you see here in the back. And you do have about, I'm gonna say about an 8-foot bed, which I think we're gonna try to take a peek into. Again, all factory, so the water's leaking out of the bed, as you can see. But all factory parts. Again, offered for sale through AutoHaus of Naples. You'll have to contact us if this is something you are interested in. You're not gonna find many of these. We do have 2, I believe, right now being worked on. I have a Sunburst Yellow, which I'm going to show you the process of it in my next shot. And we also have a white one that we're shipping over, and it'll also be made into a factory Mercedes-Benz 6x6 G-Wagon. And I will take it out and show you guys how it runs. Start it up for you guys. All right. 1,538 kilometers, which is a little less than 1,000 miles on the odometer. And we do have an automatic transmission. And here is your high, low, and all your lockers. You do have your heated seats for both you and the front passenger. You have your 12-volt 24 as well. And you can see all the, there's your light accessories here. You do have a radio, FM, AM, and CD. Also your auxiliary option, and your battery main switch is right here. So one thing that I haven't mentioned yet is a truck that is used for border control, military, police, things such as that. And this is being offered as a personal vehicle use, and they're really difficult to come by. And it is, you are the master of the road if you are driving this thing. It is so big, and you can take it anywhere. Mountains, hunting, off-roading, on the road, you know, if you just want to drive it regularly, whatever it works for you is going to be good enough. And I'm really excited to show you guys also the other 2 I have that are being built right now. I have one that I can show you the build process, and that's what I'm going to do next. So I will see you guys inside the workshop. And just so you guys can see, we are here in beautiful Steiermark, Austria, and I just wanted you to see a little bit more of this truck being driven. It is incredible. I can't believe it's as big as it is and rides as smoothly as it does. And like I said, I'm really excited to show you guys the frame of the other ones that are being built now. Hey guys, all right, here I am inside the custom G-Wagon shop, and I'm going to show you the frame, but first I want you to see right here, this is the, we bought this in the US and we shipped it over here to Austria, and it got shopped, as you can see, and it is an AMG G63, and it is in a Sunburst Yellow, and that is what this will be transformed into the 6x6 too. And once it is, we will ship it back to the US, and it'll be available for sale there. And you can see this is the massive 6x6 frame, and I mean, it is about 6 meters and about a little over, I believe, 18 feet long, 19 I believe. And when you're inside the 6x6, there's a button you can push that will raise and or put air in or take air out of the tires depending on where you're located and what you need. But it's very simple to do when you are on the inside and driving these monstrous trucks off-road. And you can see we have the portal axles as well. And I mean, this frame, I don't know how it's going to show up, but look, it's huge. And here over on the other side, you'll see a Puch G-Wagon here. And you can see the difference between the sizes. So not only is this not as long, but this is going to be much higher as well. So you can see that difference. And again, this is available through us in the USA at AutoHaus of Naples. And if you have any interest, give us a call. It's 239-263-8500. And once again, 239-263-8500, and on the web, AutoHausNaples.com. And I'm MaryAnn, and I will see you guys on the next one.